What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have this massive, very massive rechargeable flashlight. I got this because y'all already know I am a fan of FEIT Electric, okay? I have FEIT Electric smart lights. I have FEIT Electric smart switches. I have FEIT Electric, now I have smart outlets. I have FEIT Electric all over the place, all right? So FEIT Electric do produce a good light, you guys, and they produce very excellent products. In this rechargeable light, they have 3,000 lumens. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. And as soon as you take it out, there goes the flashlight. You guys, this thing is probably one of the biggest flashlights I have in the house, you guys. This is insane. All right, so it don't have no power. At least it says before use, unscrew battery cap and remove white insulation disc. Okay, we'll get into that. What else this thing got? All right, so it looked like USB-C charging cable enclosed, and it says C batteries enclosed. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, wow. So is this a hybrid? This may be a hybrid, you guys. It says not for resale, Duracell. So these don't say rechargeable on it. So you have the wire right here. Now I'm going with this thing being, all right, so this has no instructions, but basically all your instructions are on the box. So as you look in Costco, you will see this box right there in the section that, you know, us people always go to. You know, when we go to Costco, like our favorite aisle to go to is like this type of aisles where you got the lights and the cool kitchen stuff and, you know, the DIY people go to. You know what I'm talking about. You can use this as a power bank. So if you need to charge up your phone, you can put your USB port right here and then you have your USB type C. Or if you have an iPhone, then you will have to get your own charger or whatever. But anyways, and you got your USB-C and you can put it in the charge port right there. So right there you go. 2 different ports on there. All right, now we're back here. It says before use, unscrew battery cap and remove white insulation. So let's go ahead. We're gonna unscrew this. And this is normal, you guys. If you have ever used a flashlight, then you kind of know the batteries usually go on the bottom. Sometimes it goes on the top, depending. All right, it says remove before use. Oh, wow. Order replacement rechargeable batteries. Oh, you guys, so this is a hybrid. All right, so this is rechargeable. This thing says 6,000 milliamps. I noticed the trend that's going on now, and I have it on my channel also, that these type of rechargeable batteries are coming out. They have the little ones, my little purple ones, wherever I did with them, but they're bigger than the AA's. So this look like the equivalent size of C batteries. This look like C's, but they're not saying. It's not saying if it's C, it just says 1.3 volts. Usually it's C or D. I think it's C because C is smaller than D size batteries, I believe. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put this back in. But you do know now that it is hybrid on here. It says use as rechargeable or C battery flashlight. Well, there you go. All right. It says includes rechargeable battery, 3 Duracell C batteries, and USB-C charging cable, and that's it. All right, you guys. Once again, if you go to Costco, you will see all that. You'll see the box. One last thing I want to get with y'all. This is waterproof. It says tactical bezel, whatever that is. So they're saying this is tactical up here. We will figure that out later. All right, and it has all the cool stuff here, 3,000 lumens, 1,500 lumens, and 700 lumens. So that's your high, mediums, and lows. And it says water resistant, all right? Not waterproof, but water resistant. That's what I was looking for y'all. All right, now that we took this white paper off because that's what it said on the sticker right here. Let's take this white paper off. Now we're going to take our sticker off. You can use it for camping, hunting. Woo, that's bright. Oh, this is bright, you guys. This is bright. I can't wait to test this out. As a matter of fact, I want to charge this even more to make sure it goes to its full potential. But yeah, this light is very bright. All right, you guys, so we have the flashlight here and we are going to test it out. It is, well, semi-fully charged. We did use it a little bit, but all batteries should be full. So all lights should be on. And yeah, we are going to turn all the lights off right now. So, all right, y'all ready? Here we go. Wow. This thing shines very bright. Very bright, you guys. Now, what you can do is twist the top and you'll have a wider spread on your light, or you can make a smaller little spotlight. So that's as small as it goes, and this is as wide right here. So that's pretty nice. Now, we are going to go ahead and just tap it. When you tap it, it goes down. You tap it again, it's going down, and then tap it again, it's off. All right. I double tap and then the flash come on and I'm gonna turn it off, okay? All right, you guys, so I'm gonna double tap it. Be careful if you're driving. I'm just gonna let you know it's gonna be very flashy. And disclaimer, flashes cause seizures and all that type of stuff. So yeah, don't watch this while you're driving. So I'm gonna double tap. And there goes the flash, and it is like a club in here. So I'm gonna take it off, put it back on so y'all see the flash on the light, and it is very strong, okay? You cannot fail with FEIT Electric, you guys. FEIT Electric is where it's at, all right? This is very nice, you guys. In Costco, 30 bucks. Who knows? It might be an instant savings on it. You might could catch it on 20 bucks, you know. Never know. Take a trip to Costco. If you see it, then you probably will land on this video if you want to see what the functions look like. But yeah, this is very nice, and that will be it. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.